Okay. Today we're making Monte Cristo burritos.
Okay, today, and also at the end of the video, Kim showed a hammer thing I was doing.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think a stove and like grill make sense to each other?
Mm-hmm.
I think a. Oh, so it's gonna be a double sandwich, huh?
I think so. Fried an egg.
I can use the cheese. And Dad, I almost destroyed the whole box.
Did you?
Almost. At the end of the video, folks, you can see the box I'm trying to hit. Can actually get pulled if you hold on to it too long.
Come here and try a little bite of this.
On the Welcome to Our Show podcast, join real life friends
tastes
Zoe
like.
Deschanel, Hannah
Ooh,
Simone,
this
and
looks
Morris
good.
as they rewatch their
Looks
animated
real
series.
good.
At the end when he
Gotta
says you
taste
got some
this.
Schmidt on your
I
side,
have to.
I feel like I pitched that joke.
I believe that.
I feel like I did. I'm not 1,000%. I want to say
Taste
that
it.
I lost that down.
Listen to Welcome to Our Show on the
It's so
iHeartRadio
good.
And it's always top of mind. So start saving by
That's
switching
good.
to Comcast Business Mobile. It's a mobile service designed.
McDonald's.
Tuesday with Mostly Sunny Skies. This report is sponsored by Discover. If you're a valued customer, you deserve a simple Jovi, the 2022 tour. Bristol Arena, Saturday, April 30th. Got tickets this Friday at 10 a.m. at livenation.com. Bon Jovi. Incredible night. Presented by Hanson Water. BonJovi.com. Real tough. Think you're too cool, so
He is heated. What happened? What happened?
Did a flip. You must have it in fast mode.
8. Have it at 8.
High speed.